In China, an 8-day festival celebrating the new year has come to an end, with robot exhibitions across the country serving as the main highlight. The event brought together leading manufacturers and developers from various countries, showcasing their latest innovations. The exhibitions featured musician robots performing popular melodies, elegantly dressed robots from Cloud9 Technologies portraying characters from traditional Chinese opera, and humanoid robots from a Qingdao startup focused on fully replicating human appearance. There were also bartender robots and robo-cafes treating visitors to French fries and ice cream. Attendees were entertained by robotic dogs, robotic fish swimming in pools, calligraphy robots, and much more. In honor of the new year, a robo-soccer tournament was even organized. According to officials, more than 100 interactive scenarios featuring intelligent robots were presented, and some were truly impressive, but we will cover those in more detail in our upcoming videos. The exhibition demonstrated the rapid development of technology and its integration into everyday life. In short, China continues to advance its robotics industry by leaps and bounds. The company Humanoid, specializing in the creation of ultra-realistic robotic women, has released a new line of robots that has taken the internet by storm. The robotic dolls, called Honoka, stand at 167 centimeters tall and are made from high-quality medical-grade silicone, ensuring a realistic skin texture and long-lasting durability. An internal metal frame allows the robots to be posed in various positions while maintaining stability. Their facial features, hair, nails, and other details have been meticulously crafted for maximum resemblance to a real person. Additionally, an advanced artificial intelligence system enables the robot to become a true life companion. The price of these realistic silicone robots ranges from several $100s and can reach several $1,000s, depending on the chosen configuration. At the beginning of the year 2025, TMS UK, in collaboration with Kansai Medical University, introduced a prototype robot designed for medical interview training. This humanoid robot is equipped with generative artificial intelligence and is intended to enhance communication skills and medical interviewing abilities for future doctors. The robot can generate natural and diverse responses, simulating the behavior of various types of patients. This allows medical students to practice patient interactions in conditions as close to real life as possible. Its humanoid form and movements create the sensation of interacting with an actual person, increasing the effectiveness of training sessions. The robot supports 57 languages, including Japanese and English, making it suitable for international medical education programs. After each interview, it provides a detailed analysis of the conversation, highlighting the student's strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Following testing and refinement, the robot is expected to be available for use in medical educational institutions starting in the summer of the year 2025. Recently, the American company Foundation Robotics Labs introduced a new humanoid robot called Phantom Mark I. This robot is standing 175 centimeters tall and weighing 80 kilograms, and is designed to perform a wide range of tasks, including military service, industrial applications, and household assistance. Phantom Mark I is equipped with advanced actuators that combine the power of hydraulics with the efficiency and quiet operation of electric motors, allowing it to lift loads of up to 20 kilograms. The upper torso integrates high-resolution cameras, sensors, and computing modules, providing 360-degree environmental awareness and precise task execution. The lower section ensures mobility and stability, enabling the robot to navigate stairs, uneven terrain, and narrow spaces. The modular design of Phantom Mark I allows for easy upgrades and adaptation to various use cases. NVIDIA has announced the development of a new method that enables humanoid robots to replicate human movements from video. The new technology, called ASAP, Adaptive Simulation and Physics, was developed in collaboration with researchers from Carnegie Mellon University. The process is divided into two stages. In the first stage, robots train in simulation, attempting to mimic the movements of athletes. Then, engineers integrate real-world physical constraints of the robots into the system to identify discrepancies between simulation and reality. Specialists then refine the movements, significantly improving accuracy. At the moment, not all details are known, as Boston Dynamics is a highly secretive company. However, A similar approach was used several years ago to teach its robots to dance. The company also utilized recordings of dancers and then adjusted the movements to account for the physical limitations of its robots, though it did not publicly disclose much about the process. The American company Oxman has introduced revolutionary biomaterials and zero-waste production through its O0 platform. This technology enables the creation of fully biodegradable textiles and wearable devices made exclusively from organic materials, without the use of petrochemicals or adhesives, and without generating microplastics. The first product developed using this platform is the O0 shoe collection. The footwear is made from polyhydroxyalkanoates, a class of organic materials known for their versatility and ability to fully decompose in natural environments. This innovation opens new possibilities for the fashion industry by offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional synthetic materials. Engineers from the company Obi have developed a robotic feeding assistant called Robot Obi. This device is designed for individuals with limited hand mobility, allowing them to independently select and consume food without assistance. Obi consists of a robotic arm with a spoon and a special plate with 4 compartments for different types of food. The user controls the device using adaptive switches, selecting the desired compartment and giving a command to deliver the food. Obi supports various types of switches, including touch buttons and systems activated by head movement or breathing. The key advantages of Robot Obi include precise food delivery control, customizable settings for user convenience, and ease of use. The device is simple to calibrate and clean, and its battery provides up to 4 hours of operation without recharging. Here is an innovative development by Nissan, the intelligent parking chair. This unique office furniture can independently return to a predetermined position after use. The chair is equipped with rollers that allow it to rotate 360 degrees and a system that determines its target position. 4 cameras installed on the ceiling provide a bird's-eye view and wirelessly transmit information about the chair's location and its route back to the designated spot. This concept was inspired by Nissan's intelligent parking technology, which enables drivers to easily park their vehicles using automatic steering control. Thanks to this innovation, office employees no longer need to manually reposition chairs after meetings or conferences. A single clap of the hands is enough for the chairs to automatically return to their original positions. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Goodbye.